welcome back to my channel. Well, today what I thought we would do, I'm in my craft room because I'm going to make some pictures to go right up on that wall right there. And I just picked up these two 8x10 canvases. I've had these a while. I think I got these at Walmart. I'm really not sure. So you'll need some canvases. Then I'm going to be using Barrel's Cameo Pink, okay? And then you're going to need either a foam brush, a dauber, or a brush just like this. And then you're going to need some images. And I just love this. I Googled it and I cut it out with my Cricut, but you wouldn't have to cut it out with a Cricut. You could just use scissors. And then I've got this image. And then I went ahead, I don't know, I don't have enough of these canvases, and they're the kind that have it just around the side, but I printed out two more pictures that I'm pretty sure I'm going to use in here, but I'll have to make these later, okay? And so let me go ahead and flip the camera down. And if you hear anything outside, my husband is cutting our grass, so that's what you hear. Okay, so I'm just going to put some of this Cameo Pink out. I think it'll be really pretty. And I think I may try to take this little dauber at first and try to do it like this, because I just want it kind of swirly, dreamy, kind of like it's coming into the pictures, not like it's, you know, I don't think I really want it solid. I'm just going to kind of swirl it like this. I hope you can see what I'm doing, okay? And I'm liking that effect. So we will just go ahead. And I picked pictures that I thought would go with this pink because I really do. Just, you know, put it on it until you are happy with it. And you kind of want to get it up in here in case your picture might not cover it totally or something like that. And I just got these little daubers at Walmart in a pack. And it almost looks like little clouds, almost like. And it's darker on one side, so I think I will add a little bit more on this side. I just love using foam brushes. I think they really kind of make things blend together more seamless. Okay, and then I'm just going to do the same thing to these sides. Just sort of swirl it around. Plus this will dry really quickly, but this paint always does anyway. But I know you know what I'm doing, so when I get this finished, I'll be right back and we will put the little stickers on it. Okay, you can see this is kind of the look that I got. It's almost like a watercolor look, and I did it all the way around. And then this is what this one looks like. It's kind of hard to see, but that's how it looks. I think this is going to be so pretty, okay? Now, all you have to do, I'm going to put these girls on here, okay? And with my Cricut, it just cut around it, just like I make my stickers for my planner. So, just have to be really careful because it cut the dress in a lot of little pieces. Okay, and that is what we have. I think she's going to be so pretty. Now I'm going to stand up here and try to get her on this right where I want her, and I'm going to put her down at the top and just come on down so nothing gets funky or anything. And that little part did. I'm gonna get some scissors and just cut. Okay, this little part right here got just a little funky. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it off right like that, and no one will ever know the difference, okay? And that is what we have. I think that's gonna be beautiful in here on my wall. You could take paint stir sticks and make a frame over this if you wanted. I mean, the possibilities are really endless, okay? Now I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And if you don't have a Cricut, you can still go to Google Images, Google them, and print them out like I used to before I got my Cricut. And just put, you know, make them the size that you want and just print them out on the Avery sticker sheets. Okay, so let me get her on here. And you could, you know, you could measure if you want. I just always eyeball. And there she is. I think this is so cute. If you would see this out at Hobby Lobby or somewhere like that, you would pay so much money. This would even be pretty in a little girl's room. And you could do any of the pictures that you wanted. I just really like these. Now, I'm out of the monkey hooks, so what I'm going to have to do is go to Walmart and pick some up. And I need to make some more of these because 2 isn't enough, but I think this is going exactly for the look I'm going for in here. Now, they're not hanging because I haven't purchased the monkey hooks yet, and I haven't made my other ones, but I thought I'd let you see, and I ended up putting that in here, and I love it. But there it is. I think that is so pretty. And then here's this other one right here. I think she is so pretty. But I think they give a really nice look to my craft room. I couldn't be more pleased with how this is going to look. And I'm not going to hang them right where they are. I'm going to put them in different places. But I love how it looks with my escape sign. And I picked that up at Michael's. They had a big clearance, and I was there this weekend. And it was regular $36, and I got it for $18. So I thought that was a really good deal. But I'm loving how it looks in here. It just looks so pretty with my escape sign and then my live loved craft. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.